Times have come upon us like a bolt from the blue, the coronavirus and all the consequences that came with it. The entire world stands sad, helpless, confused.
We as St. Mary's Church thought about our mission to people who are suffering at this time. Samaritan Ministry with their volunteers got into action, and in collaboration with the food bank of Dubai municipality, they were able to gather groceries, toiletries and sanitizers and things that are required for a daily life.
I would like to take this opportunity as a member of UAE Food Bank to thank Mohammed bin Rashid Initiative for choosing us to participate and secure food for needy people during COVID-19 pandemics. During this journey, we were honored to have a group of food companies, businessmen, charities, which work with us side by side, along with the St. Mary Church and selective volunteers to achieve our target in delivering more than 2 million meals. God bless all for the effort and the help that's been done to distribute more than 2 million meals for needy people, workers who lost their job, visitors whom locked in the country during this pandemic. Thanks once again for all to success 10 million meals initiative, and I'm proud to be a part of this initiative.
A bag of hope contains enough material for an individual to last 1 month. We were able to cater to around 3,000 people. 3,000 people were given what's called a bag of hope. A bag of hope contains enough material for an individual to last 1 month. It was summer, very hot, and under the lockdown rules they had to wear PPE suit and be there packing things and so on. It was so difficult, physically difficult, but they braved that situation and did a wonderful job. I thank all volunteers of the Samaritan Ministry. The Samaritan Ministry also got a lot of help, support from the community coordinators of our parish, and the coordinators of all the communities in the parish came forward. They organized the supply of these bags of hope to people, and there were also other people who contributed financially to raise fund in order to buy these materials and so on. So many people came together and worked together and made it a huge success. I must also thank the families of the volunteers. They knew that one of them is going out and then doing something and he could be a carrier of the disease, but they said yes to the Lord, and then they allowed them to go and they prayed for them.
Hi, I'm Felicitas Rudico, and I would like to thank St. Mary's Catholic Church for 2 boxes, and I would like to say thank you very much and God bless to all the staff of St. Mary's Church.
Thank you, St. Mary's Church, for being a blessing during this pandemic.
Thank you for your kind support. God bless St. Mary's Church.
Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I'm working in salon. This time we have a problem for the salary. And thank you for the food St. Mary's Church from Dubai. Thank you so much.
ਹੈਲੋ, ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ। ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੱਬਲ ਅਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮਿਡਟੈਕ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਆ ਸਾਡੀ। ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ 5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਬੈਠਿਆ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੇ ਕੋਈ ਸੈਲਰੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਰੋਟੀ ਦੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ। ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖੇ ਆ ਭਾਜੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ 2 ਵਾਰ ਚਰਚ ਤੋਂ ਸਮਾਨ ਮੰਗਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਚਰਚ ਤੋਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸਮਾਨ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਰਮਜ਼ਾਨ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ, ਚੋਂ ਬਿਰਿਆਨੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਉਹ ਬਿਰਿਆਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਖਿਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਬਸ। ਅਸੀਂ 18 ਬੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਔਖਾ ਚੱਲਣ ਡਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ। ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਕਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋ ਮੰਗਦੇ ਆ, ਕਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋ ਮੰਗਦੇ ਆ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਬਸ।
Thank you very much, St. Mary's Catholic Church. God bless you.
And thank the Lord for giving us this occasion to serve people in a small way. It's not a big way, but in a small way, we did whatever we could. We felt that our mission at this moment was this, and therefore we undertook that mission and did whatever we could, and we want to do more. We know that this is not enough. We want to do more, and we will surely continue to do so with the Samaritan ministry and its volunteers, so generous and active in our parish. Thank you all very much.